By the way, I wish every wizard healthy and rich, happy and naughty. This plank is custom made. 8mm linden wood board, which was cut by laser. After getting it back, I covered it with a layer of high-density foam board to increase the texture. The gentle tapping of fingers. It expresses the author's thinking about what to do next. It turns out that the texture of the stone wall is carved with a ruler. Stability is the key to handicraft. This walnut is but it hasn't been polished yet. He selected many walnuts, only it rolls on the wall like a stone. So don't be discouraged. It's just that you haven't found the right thing for you. Use corner brackets to fix the wooden boards on several sides. Before making the video, I have tried many things at this step. I gradually increased the intensity. I found that 8mm would not deform significantly. I learned simple programming knowledge with no basis. Of course, this knowledge is very useful. I will also develop more interesting projects in the future. I chose a power supply with a larger current here to avoid overheating in the wooden structure. Not only the motor, the current required at the moment of starting is also large. Warm reminder, when doing all painting work, you must take good protection and ventilation. There are many painting styles. I use an acrylic spray gun and acrylic paint, which has a smaller smell. The color of real food is more complex, but mostly copper and iron compounds. So I use these two colors to find the basic hue. Sweep the surface with a dry brush to create texture. This is the staircase I designed myself. The rotating mechanism is to ensure that it doesn't deviate. I thought of many ways. This design is for easy disassembly and maintenance. You can also add a little thickness to make the rotating mechanism less conspicuous. I initially used 3D printing for the staircase, but due to its heavy weight and the overlong cantilever length, the connections couldn't withstand the sheer force. I finally gave up. I changed to a wooden structure. I found that the wooden structure is light and stable, and it won't suffer brittle fracture. I just need to spend more effort on the texture. Fix the assembled staircase in the main structure. And arrange them on the back as beautifully as possible. The motor's drive board and motherboard are also placed in the same area. To make it convenient to install a door for inspection. The circuit is also neatly arranged. There are too many wires this time. The revolving staircase is designed to be detachable, also for easy maintenance. The staircase was also assembled in advance on the computer. Drill holes in the wall for easy installation. Wall lamps here don't use patch lamps. mainly for the convenience of replacing the light bulbs. The walls are still very messy. I replaced the drop glue with UV tape. The curing time of the glue is too long. To simulate the texture of stone on the wood surface, so it's colored by poking. It's sealed with wooden boards outside. Install the sole. The color on the surface is slightly darker, so when the light is on at night, the visual focus will stay on the staircase. Open the door for easy maintenance.